Dear students, Standard 10th, Social Science, Chapter number 2, Cultural Heritage of India, Traditional Handicraft and Fine Arts. First of all, before start the topic, I'll tell you the meaning of traditional handicraft. Traditional handicraft means the things or product which is made by hand. And little information about traditional handicraft. There are a reference of 64 arts in our ancient literature. For example, embroidery, wooden art, clay work, drawing, painting, leather industry, enamel work, sculpture, architecture, acrylic work, diamond related artistic workmanship, and knitting work, and so on. These all are considered the unique identity in India. Now, in traditional handicraft, will be having 64 arts. Okay, so let's explore them. But in this chapter, we need to learn few of them. So first number, clay work. So what is clay work? The things which are made from clay. And for that, here I will write a few important points for particular topic. Further, more details will be getting in worksheet. So for clay work, man and clay, I'll write here man and clay have been closely associated since ancient time. Furthermore, before the invention of metal, clay things were used abundantly. For example, which things we are going to use in that time? So, toys, pots, pitcher, earthen lamp, etc. or clay stove, etc. we are using, that is made from clay. Apart from this, maximum kitchenwares were made up of clay. Next point, the walls of the houses were plastered by the paste of cow dung and clay. The walls of the houses were plastered by the paste of cow dung and clay. Apart from this, it is a most important point. Potter's wheel is considered to be the best device for clay work. Further more informations we'll discuss orally also. You can say we can get the example of baked and unbaked clay of terracotta since ancient time. These are the These are found in the Nagarjunkonda in South India and Lagnaj in Mehsana district. So this is the little information of clay work, one art. Now we'll discuss another art. It is metal work. Or you can say metal engraving. Metal work is also very old form of art in India. Metal age began, I write here main point. Metal age began and developed after Stone Age. The artisans of Lothal made different weapons. I mention here the artisans of Lothal made different weapons. Like which kind of weapons they are making? So I write here sickles, drill, and needle. Etc. made up of with copper and bronze. Apart from this, arms and ammunitions, I write here arms and ammunition for wars were made up of metal. Arms and ammunitions. Ammunitions means the weapons which are used in wars, that's also made up of metal. Apart from this, gold and silver were used for making ornaments. Copper, brass, and bronze were used to make the utensils and idols, whereas iron was used to make the instruments and weapons. So I write here last point. Iron was used to make instruments and weapons. So here we have discussed two arts, clay work and metal work. Now we'll discuss another third number. Third number, wooden art. Now, trees and forests are closely associated with each other, but initially, I write here, wood was used as a firewood. Later on, the wood was used for making weapons, construction of buildings, and other construction work. But gradually, wood was used for different purpose like for making idols, toys, wooden pillars, window and doors, and etc. But most important thing in wooden art is wooden furniture like sphinx and toys of Eder. I make the underline most important words, and Sankheda in Gujarat are well known. Now we'll take fourth art. It is called inlay work. Here we have little information of inlay work. What is inlay work? First of all, we will discuss. In Gujarat, it is called Jartar Kam. So inlay work is considered to be very ancient art of India. Indian kings, emperors, rurals, and royal people of that time used to wear ornaments as a necklace, bracelet, crown, ring, nose ring, etc. was studded with the precious gems like diamonds, pearls, rubies, etc. It means you can say this inlay work is that different colors of use in making the ornaments. So here I write two main points of this. Artisans were experts in the work of inlay art. But the important thing is that Bikaner area of Rajasthan, is more popular for inlay ornaments. So in this video we talk about 4 different arts of India. Thank you.